Every day, modern IT environments generate millions of signals. From login attempts to firewall alerts, security teams are facing a literal flood of complex data. Try to parse that volume of information manually, and you run into a very human physical limit. Even a fully staffed team of analysts simply cannot read and analyze billions of data points in real time. To meet that challenge, you need to work at machine speed. That is exactly why Microsoft Security Copilot was built. It's a cloud-based, AI-powered assistant designed to sit right alongside your human analysts and help them carry the load. Copilot uses advanced natural language processing. This means you can type a question in plain English, and it will instantly summarize complex security threats, or even write the technical code needed to query your databases. By handing off the tedious work of digging through logs, your analysts stop drowning in data-gathering paperwork. They can now focus their energy on high-level strategy and immediate threat response. Before this AI assistant can start answering your questions, it needs an environment to live in and the computing power to actually think. We measure this computing power in something called Security Compute Units, or SCUs. You can think of an SCU like choosing the size of an engine for your assistant to run on within your Azure subscription. Because security workloads are unpredictable, this capacity is flexible. You can crank up capacity during active investigations, setting overage limits for unexpected spikes. Once you have computing power, you organize your teams by setting up secure workspaces. A workspace is like giving a specific team their own private office with a closed door. It keeps the conversation history, the team budget, and the geographic data storage completely separate from other departments. By giving each workspace its own dedicated chunk of STU capacity, you ensure that every team has exactly the processing power they need, without ever spilling over into another group's budget or data boundaries. Now, while Copilot is a highly capable tool, it does not automatically have access to all of your company's data. It needs permission to look at your files and logs. It handles permissions using the on behalf of model. This means Copilot essentially wears your specific security clearance. It adopts your existing identity and access permissions, so it can only ever read the files that you are personally authorized to see. To gather necessary information, the assistant connects to security databases through extensions called plugins. These act like specialized reference books, allowing Copilot to gather context from Microsoft products, third-party security tools, and even open-source intelligence feeds. Thanks to plugins and this on-behalf-as model, you get an assistant that is resourceful and deeply connected to your environment, yet strictly bound by your company's security rules. Let's look under the hood at what actually happens the moment you ask Copilot a question. Your request goes to Copilot's backend, the orchestrator. It acts as a master planner, formulating a step-by-step plan. It reasons over available plugins to gather context, pieces the story together, and runs the final answer through strict safety checks. And to address a common concern, your company's data remains yours. The information you feed into Copilot is completely private and is never used to train Microsoft's foundational AI models. The orchestrator is simply there to give you rapid, intelligent answers while keeping your enterprise data fully compliant and locked down tight. If you give a human assistant vague instructions, you'll probably get a confusing result. The exact same rule applies to working with AI. The way you communicate with Copilot is through a prompt, the natural language instruction you type into the search bar to kick off your session. A highly effective prompt has 4 main elements. First is your goal. You have to clearly state the specific security information or action you need. Next, add context, explaining why you need this information. Then add your expectations, telling the AI exactly what format you want the answer in, like a bulleted list or a summary table. Finally, name the source. Point Copilot to the specific datasets or plugins it should search. If you're completely new to this, don't worry. Copilot includes built-in prompt books that offer pre-tested, optimized questions you can click and use immediately. Once you master those 4 elements, you turn an empty text box into a precision instrument, generating clear, actionable insights exactly when you need them most. Instead of opening a dozen different tools and staring at endless log files, Copilot brings all those pieces together into a single, intelligent ecosystem. It elevates the skills of every analyst on the floor, allowing junior staff to run technical queries and senior staff to remediate vulnerabilities at machine speed. With a severe shortage of cybersecurity talent and attacks growing more sophisticated every day, modern enterprises need a way to move faster. Microsoft Security Copilot gives your team the scale and clarity required to defend your environment today.